In this video I just wanted to give a bit of a shout out to the person I bought this item from. It's an item I've purchased for a repair, and it is something I'll be showing in a future video. But I just wanted to show how well packaged this is, and it does make a nice change that something turns up that's been very carefully packaged. Now firstly, this is a very heavy item. This weighs probably 10-15 kilos. It's a very heavy item, and when I opened it I was extremely impressed with the way that this guy's packaged this, so I thought I'd just show this on camera. This is exactly the right way to package something like this. So firstly, it's in a very good box, protection on top, plenty of foam chips, and it's been carefully arranged inside. It's triple boxed, so he's got an inner box and some more padding around the outside of that box. Every single part within here is separated with cardboard, so he's wrapped cardboard around each of these separate parts. Most of these are interconnected, so he couldn't separate them completely, but he's gone to all the time and trouble to individually pad each one with pieces of cardboard to keep them from moving around and protect them. This is probably the best packaging job I've ever seen for anything I've bought off eBay, so a lot of thanks to the guy I bought this off. There's nothing worse than buying very rare things off eBay and having them turn up smashed. It's obviously turned up in perfect condition thanks to his efforts, so absolutely hats off to him for that. As I say, I will be showing this item in an upcoming video. I bought this to repair a machine. It's actually to repair an IBM machine, and if you want to have a guess as to what this might be, I'll just take some more foam chips out. And this is something I've mentioned in a previous video, so that's as far as I'll go. But if you want to have a guess as to what this might be, please leave a comment. But as I say, in an upcoming video I will be demonstrating what this is and explaining how it works. It's quite an interesting device, and again, thanks to the person that I purchased this from.